it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have my Mickey Mouse shirt on as well as my Mickey Mouse ears, and that's because I'm going to be showing you how to do a really simple Disney Mickey inspired craft for the holiday season. This craft is going to be super simple and you're only going to need a couple items to complete it. The first item you're going to want to pick up is some little Christmas bulbs. So you're going to want to make sure you get two different sizes that are kind of relative to each other, and I'll explain that here shortly. But you want to also make sure you get the plastic bulbs that are shatterproof. You don't want to buy the glass bulbs for this project. The next thing you're going to need is a hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. And the third item you're going to need is either a little Dremel saw tool or just a hand little saw that you can use to cut off part of these little Christmas bulbs. What I'm going to show you how to do is make your own at-home little Mickey Christmas ornament. Now these are super cute and definitely inspired from ones that I saw at the Disney theme parks this year. However, those ones were glass, so those would be extremely difficult for me to get home here to Pennsylvania. I made a few of these last year from some pretty big bulbs, but this year I downsized because I want to make a lot of these for my Disney tree. So I bought kind of like a medium to small bulb, and then you want to buy those mini bulbs to make the Mickey Mouse ears. So that's what I was talking about when I said you want to buy two different size bulbs, but they have to be relative to each other. So when you're at the store, you're going to kind of want to look at them and see if you can imagine the Mickey Mouse from those size bulbs. So again, my name's Nicole. If you're new here, we would really love it if you subscribe down below. Definitely hit that bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video, and feel free to leave us a comment and let me know what you and your family are doing this year to bring some of that Disney joy into your home for the holiday. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video.
So here laid out on my craft table is all of my different bulbs. I believe I picked these up at the Target dollar spot, and each pack of them was only $1. So I have two different sizes, and then I bought glitter, and then I just bought a pack that was also iridescent. Although I got these bulbs at Target, you can find very similar ones at Walmart or the dollar store or even some craft stores as well. Here's an up-close view of the mini bulbs that we're going to use as Mickey Mouse's ears. For every large bulb, you're going to want to make sure you have two mini bulbs in the same color. Your first step is going to be removing the top of the mini bulb so we can make those ears. Here you can see they still have a little extended piece of plastic, and this is what we're going to be cutting off with our Dremel tool. We moved to our basement so we didn't make a mess upstairs with the Dremel, and just make sure when you're using a tool like this you follow all the safety precautions and read the instructions that come with it. Safety glasses are definitely a must for this because, as you could see, little pieces of plastic did fly off when we cut that. As you can see, that little extended piece of plastic came right off with the Dremel. You want to make sure you get a really flush cut, so that way when we go to glue these onto the main bulb, they adhere really well. So here again is what the little mini bulbs look like, and then here is the same bulb with the top cut off next to it. You can start with any color bulb you want. I like to make mine color coordinate, so I like to make the mouse ears the same color as the bulb base. And now is when we're going to actually glue the ears to the main bulb. I preheated my hot glue gun, so it should be all ready to go. I set up my first large bulb, and then I took my mini bulb and placed the hot glue right where we cut off that extended piece of plastic, and then you're just going to place it on the top of your big bulb, ever so slightly to the side of the top hook area. You want to make sure you get it just slightly away from it without putting them too wide, because you want to get that Mickey Mouse ear effect. Here I'm just putting some pressure on the little bulb, pressing it against the large bulb for just a few seconds until that hot glue really starts to dry. You want to make sure it gets that really secure hold before you set it down. You're going to repeat this step with the second little bulb and just make sure you get it evenly placed across the other side of the hoop to finish off that Mickey look. For my second bulb, I chose one of the pink iridescent bulbs over the glitter bulb just to see if there was any difference in gluing this one together. I'm starting again by putting the glue on the little mini bulbs that are going to create our ears and pressing them firmly against the large bulb, again ever so slightly away from that center hoop. The iridescent bulbs are working exactly the same as the glitter bulbs. I really had no problem with either type of these and they are turning out so cute. I'm finished gluing on the second ear now and think this hot pink one is so adorable. It's time to finish the rest of the bulbs, but I'm going to fast forward through this for you guys so you can just see me finishing them off, but it doesn't take too long. Okay guys, so here's a final look at all of our finished bulbs together. I think they turned out so incredibly cute. All of these bright, fun colors to me just scream Disney and Disney World. This entire little cluster of bulbs only cost me about $5, so you really can't beat that for a DIY project. I'm definitely not done with my Disney tree. I showed you guys how I do my ribbon on it the other day, but I just had to put these bulbs up right away because I wanted to see how they popped on the white tree. The next step to decorating my Disney tree is going to be adding all of my Disney character ornaments, but I think these little Mickey bulbs are going to add such a fun special touch this year, and it's definitely going to make it just scream Disney so much more.
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this little DIY project. I think these bulbs turn out so incredibly cute. Again, they're inspired from ones that I saw at Disney World when I was there this year. But again, the glass ones are really hard for me to bring home, so I thought I would do a little DIY project for all of you, making our own out of those shatter-proof kind of plastic bulbs. If you like videos like this or Disney content in general, again, we would really love it if you subscribe down below. Definitely feel free to leave us a comment. We love hearing everything you guys have to say. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you and your family are having a great holiday season, and have a great day. Bye.